Powerful and portable, the professional cordless water flosser from Belmint packs all you need for a healthier, brighter smile in one smart, compact unit. Control water flow and pulsations with the easy touch button located on the ergonomically designed handle. Neatly store the handle, 2 nozzles, and all the flosser's parts in the sleek charging base. Add mobility to your morning routine with the extra long water supply tube, and conveniently charge the flosser with a standard USB. To enhance your dental hygiene and your confidence, simply remove the water reservoir from the unit. Unroll the water supply tubing and place the spool vertically inside the reservoir. Fill the reservoir with warm water, about 1 inch from the top will do it. Then, plug the tip of the water supply tube into the flosser handle and insert the nozzle. Choose between 2 pulsating speeds and let the powerful water stream remove food particles and plaque from your teeth and gum line, leaving them spotlessly clean. That's it. You've got a smile that's ready to stun.